Today, meron tayong activity na binook. Hindi ulit siya from Klook kasi wala namang Klook activity for Brunei. Nakalimutan ko pero alam ko chinek namin pero parang wala. So, today pupunta tayo ng Ulu Temburong National Park. So, ang pick-up time nila is 7:30. So, ilalagay ko na lang ulit sa description kung saan ko sila na-contact. Saan namin sila na-contact. Para kung gusto nyo ring i-avail yung tour na to, contact nyo sila. So, si Marj, yung na-contact namin and nakakatawa kasi kagabi lang namin nalaman na Pilipino rin siya. Pero hindi siya yung sasama sa amin. May ibang tour guide. Siya lang yung operator dun sa travel agency. So, ayun. From here, medyo malayo ata yung biyahe. Parang 2 hours ata. And then, pagdating dun, mag-boat ride, papunta dun sa location ng park mismo. So, forest talaga yung pupuntahan natin today. And maraming activities, water tubing, mga waterfall, hiking, magsiswimming. So, masaya to. So, at least another idea ng mga gagawin sa Brunei. Originally, hindi talaga to yung dapat na pupuntahan namin. Ang gusto talaga naming puntahan is yung Luwagan Lalak. Lagay ko na lang dito yung tamang name. National Park. Park din siya. And then yung longhouse nila dito. I'm not sure pero tribe ata siya. And then yung longhouse din is family sila pero sobrang dami nila sa isang bahay na sobrang haba na nung bahay. And then tig-isa sila ng kwarto. And yung kwarto na yon sobrang spacious pa din para sa isang family. And then, pag pumunta kayo doon, ipapakita nila yung mga national costume nila, magpe-perform sila, papakita nila yung mga sayaw nila, and yung mga instruments nila. So, masaya na kwentuhan sa kanila sa bahay nila. Kaso nga lang, dahil Hari Raya na today, hindi nakapag-confirm si Longhouse since syempre magsa-celebrate din sila for their Hari Raya. Siguro yun, silver lining para bumalik ng Brunei. Pagbalik natin ng Brunei, yun yung itinerary natin, tapos mag-check-in tayo sa Empire Hotel. Sana. So, ayun, yung breakfast nila today hindi na ihahatid dito sa room, dito sa hotel. Dahil Hari Raya na today, pwede na tayong mag-buffet. So, waiting na lang kami ng oras. 6:30 yung start ng buffet nila, and then pupunta na tayo doon sa dining area nila. And then, 7:30 pick up na tayo sa tour natin. So, let's go! This is the meals for the... Nagre-ready pa lang. First go. May papansit si Mayor. Eggs. Mga cereals. Coffee and tea. Ayan. Mga juice. Hindi pa lang nagawa. Station. The soup. Wala pa to isa.
Schedule to have a briefing in front of His Majesty. I think now this is the ground zero. From here to your place exactly 1 mile.
No wonder the address is 1 mile.
Yes, that's why we call it Malay Batu Satu. Batu mean mile, Satu mean 1. Yes, that's only 2 symbols that Brunei Darussalam main religion is Islam. So the sambal you can either have original or spicy, extra spicy, double spicy, super spicy.
Yeah, I took the original.
Okay, good for you. If in Brunei, if they said spicy, you should ask like this: is it a Bruneian spicy or Indonesian spicy? Only less than 20 meter last time. And what happened? The branches fall to the bridge due to strong wind. So they had to clear around 100 meter each side. That's why you can see different size of the forest. Okay, some of these dipterocrab features forest. So many are mixed like swamp and not really rainforest types of forest. So when you go down there, you can find quite a lot of mud also. Yeah. And interestingly, below us there's a passage for the monkey to swing.
Oh, really?
Yes, because it's their highway down there. Because they can go through from the canopy. Yeah, but down there you cannot see. You can see the jewels there. So you need to ask why the green jewel.
Yes.
What can see by your side? Here green, there green, even the signboard green.
Yes.
Yes. 40% of our district, which is 550 kilometers square, are covered with pristine rainforest.
Wow.
Yeah, because this will actually say their first time to the canopy.
안녕하세요. 잘. Peaceful. Hello guys.
Tita, say hello to the vlog. Val is gonna share the video.
Ay, may sandalan pa lang. Sarap. Let's go.
At a princess na naman. This princess in the bangka.
Look. It's a crocodile. Charing. The long boat. Pakarada po mo. kagabi daw kasi is medyo umulan or malakas yung ulan. So, syempre, maaano yung mga lupa sa ilalim. So, it will get muddy. So,
Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times. Changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind.
Sayang.
Yes. This is the only way.
Ayaw mo ba? Gusto. Sila nga daw muna. First 5. You should go first. Don't take my pack. Woohoo. Crossing the river.
Ito middle na ba to?
Ay, may mga poop. May mga poops.
It actually not a parasite. Yes. Okay. If proven by the forestry department botany, it actually used the tree.
Wow. Gab, kung nanonood ka man, Gab, gawin natin to. No.
Yes, one piece, okay? I think this one is the B one. That one is A, B. If the C much more bigger.
So far, so good. Oh my God, so taas.
It's for the Brunei Darussalam Field Study Center. It's for canopy.
Okay, na tayo sa canopy. Ano din? Watch your head. I'm alone kasi hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay. Although pwede 5. Akyat na. At 6 kami. So, naiwan ako sa baba until cross sa bridge yung isa. So now I'm alone going up. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh my god. Look how steep the stairs is. So scary. But you have to hold tight. Yeah. So, pag umakyat ka pa dito sa taas, pag umakyat ka pa dyan, dyan mo makikita yung 360. Itong first tower is the highest tower. So, nandyan yung pinakataas. Actually, umakyat na ako. Nandun ako sa second to the last level. But na-feel kong nag-shake itong tower. So, no. I can't talaga. Hindi ko kaya kapag nagmo-move na. Kahit nga Ferris wheel lang, natakot na ako eh. But, don't worry guys, safe naman daw talaga to. Talagang well-maintained, twice a month. It's just that I'm a scaredy cat. So, it's okay. It's okay. Pero si Paula nandun siya ngayon sa taas. Nagtitake ng pictures and videos. So, hingin natin yung video niya para mapakita ko sa inyo. Okay, let's go. Let's cross the bridge. Gusto niyo makita yung baba, guys?
Tapos pag nalula ka dahil nakita mo din.
Hindi nga ako sumisilip po. Look! Pag nahulog yung gadget mo dyan, Lana. Goodbye. Halos same height. Ayun yung 360. Grabe. Yay! We made it! At the top of the world! Woo! Oh! Through! And we're crossing the bridge. Look! Look! So high. May another 360 dito pala oh. I can't. Ito na kaya ko. 360. Okay. So, kakausapin po natin ang lokal dito. Kamusta po ang bahay niyo sa taas?
Ayun, okay naman. Ginagawa siya ngayon kaya hindi ko kayo napapasok. Papaketin ko sana kayo eh. Kaso wag daw muna.
Bye-bye, canopy!
Watch your step, watch your step. Yung nakaligtas ka sa canopy, tapos di mo makakabilis, no?
Hindi. Yung dapa talaga una yung muka. Oh my God. Ang hagdanan dito parang ano na eh. One with the danger. Oh my God, yung cellphone ko.
Init tapos.
Good. Scary but good.
Gabi is amazing.
One in here. Yeah. And 2% will stay for 6 to 7 days.
Going down.
Because to ensure that no one hunting, no one disturbing the trees here.
How do you qualify? Do you have to do a course?
Actually, it's like any other government requirement.
Yeah.
So the
Look
standard
how
is
big
always
is
O
the
level,
trees.
like 2 O level standard
Right.
credit.
Yeah. So you live here, you know all.
We learn about geography
Yeah.
before we go to school. So when we go to school, the teacher will learn from us.
Mm.
Yeah, because you know, rural area like us here, the eastern part of Brunei, usually the young teacher, freshly graduate, don't know even what is jungle. So they will be entertained by Iban boy. So we learn how to swim by 8.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
camping,
That's some
Eight.
survival skills.
yeah. So our basic learning how to swim, go to the rapid. Your father or your parents just throw you.
Oh!
Bulb, take you for a second, you okay, son? Okay, they release again. So by the second trip, you should know how to swim. Your leg.
Okay, going to the next location. The waterfall.
Let's see small fish.
Ay! May mga small fish. Sarap!
Slowly swimming.
Ah, ayan mas malaki eh. Stage by stage ng fishes.
This one bigger. This one bigger.
Ayun pa, mas malaki pa.
Oh yes.
You can see some fish inside the water.
Fishes! The challenge. Extra challenge. Ay,
Okay. This one you see me first, okay?
okay.
This. Okay, with the rock. Lock. 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 Out here. Lock.
Lock. Lock.
Lock. Lock.
Yeah.
Lock. Lock.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Lock. 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 Go there. Let's go. Okay. Careful. So no need to swim, you just dip yourself inside. So if you want to experience the fish spa, take off your slippers or your shoes. So you can feel the fish will nibble you. Right. Okay, please enjoy.
We will.
So natural siya.
Just nice for you to take a dip there. Careful, huh? You see that lock there? Is that 21? Ah, yeah. So here, this one. Go there. That's the deepest there.
Dandahan, mami.
Don't forget your sunglasses.
Not that good.
But it's very cold. And don't be surprised of the fish. Yeah. Take a dip. Yay.
Super cold.
Many already? You sit down. Take off your that one. You go dip first, then you sit down here to rest. Then they will massage your feet. But it never run out of water. It seems like God make a tap water up there. Waterfall is not the biggest, but yes, the near one.
Going back to the jetty. Hello. Bitin yung waterfall. But it's nice.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with
You can take a photo. Okay.
Yes.
Just share.
15 families. Some room also. It's your house. So you can do whatever you like. Just remember, this what we call the tumpuan, and inside there it's like a foyer. We call the ruwai. That's only we share each other. Yeah. So this is my house here.
In the middle.
Here. Number 8.
So if you have visitors,
See, air condition here and there.
yes, even the ground floor, yes.
Because it's quite hot. So we mix. The top part is wood, so the bottom part is modern one already. So 15 families, so I think we are the longest in Brunei Darussalam.
Okay, so we're home now guys at the hotel. So mabilis lang naman yung biyahe. Currently it's, let's see kung anong oras na. 4:24 p.m.
So, mabilis lang yung tour, 7:30. Hindi nakauwi na ng 4. Nakaligo na ako. Si Pao, naliligo pa lang. So, the tour is, we book it for, originally nga, yung first itinerary namin is 157. But, hindi yun natuloy. And then, itong Ulo Temburong, their first offer is 155 dahil dalawa lang kami. But since si tita na na-meet namin dito sa hotel is sumama rin sa amin. So, 3 na kami. They gave it for 130 per person. So, ayun. Sobrang saya nung tour natin. Sana pag pumunta kayo ng Brunei, puntahan nyo rin si Ulo Temburong. Or yung side na yun, kahit dun din sa first itinerary na originally namin yung lobby. Sa lobby yung place. Para makita nyo rin yung other side of Brunei. And then, ayun, yung guide natin, si Maui, Iban siya, galing siya sa Iban tribe. Bruneian din sila, but hindi sila Muslim. So, ayun. Yun pala yung sinasabi kahapon ni tita dun sa church na mga Bruneian sila pero hindi sila Muslim. So, yung iba daw dun is Catholic and nag-church dun sa pinuntahan nating church. And then, so, the whole trip, sobrang saya. May nakasama rin kaming iba mga foreigner. Tapos, first activity is yung boat ride papunta mismo dun sa National Park. And then, aakyat na sa canopy na natakot-takot tayo. And then, saglit lang, parang kapitbahay na boat ride para dun sa maliit na waterfall na may mga fishes. Ewan ko, parang hindi ko ata napakita yung mga fish na nag-aano ng paa. Yung mga kumakain-kain ng mga kung ano-ano sa paa. Marami sila dun kahit ang liit lang ng waterfall. And then, ayun, after that, boat ride na ulit pabalik dun sa first, location para mag-lunch. Hindi ko na rin ata napakita yung mga dishes, but, ayun, merong mga vegetables, chicken curry, fish fillet, parang may beef din ata dun, or lamb, I'm not sure. And then may rice, then orange, then water, may juice. So, ayun. And then after that, kasi since si Maui is from Iban tribe, nakatira siya sa longhouse. And apparently, yung longhouse nila ang pinakamalaki sa Brunei. Dahil 15 families ang nakatira. So, ayun, napakita ko naman ata yung footage ng house nila. Kung gaano kadami, gaano kalaki. So, yun sana yung plan natin dun sa first itinerary. Bibisita tayo sa longhouse and then i-show nila yung culture, show nila yung mga bahay nila, yung mga rooms sa bahay na yun. And then ano sila ng national dance nila or ethnic dance nila. And then, kung kung ano ba yung longhouse. So, parang tribo siya, but sa kanila, nasa house sila. And then, yung isang haba na yun, I'm not sure kung lahat ng longhouse ganun. But, yung nakita natin sa internet, yung nasa lobby, sobrang haba niya na sala yung buong harap. Hindi sala, but open space for the family para dun yung gathering nila or yung pag magkakwentuhan sila all throughout the day, yun yung common space nila. And then may mga pintuan, dun na yung mga sarili nilang bahay. So actually ang tawag nga ni Maui is village na nila yun. And then bawat bahay is may rights ata. Bawat door is may rights na ata. And then, sari-sarili rin silang kontador ng tubig at kuryente. And then, hindi nga lang kami pinababa kasi nga, kailangan mong magpaalam sa head nung village or nung longhouse para talagang makapasok ka. So, at least, hinayaan kami ni Maui na picturean yung kanilang longhouse. And then after that, yun na, uwian na. Dito na sa hotel. Ngayon, 4 PM, di namin sure kung lalabas na ba kami agad. Para, meron lang pala dito sa likod mismo ng Badia. May hotel lang dyan, yung Emporium. Yung mga hotel kasi, mga mall kasi nila dito guys. Mukhang hindi mall. Parang building lang. Kaya hindi namin alam na meron pala dyang mall. So, yung building sa likod ng Badia, merong mall. Dami rin daw restaurant na nakapaligid, mga Chinese restaurant. Usually, yung mga Chinese restaurant naman dito, kung naghanap kayo ng pork, may pork sila. And then, may grocery store na rin dyan. So, siguro mas mura yung mga bilihin. At ngayon lang namin siya nalaman sa second day namin. So, ayan. Balikan ko kayo guys kapag pupunta na tayo sa Emporium.